Hi, today we're going to talk about obstacles and how to get around a few things like fireplaces and bay windows if you're installing a pergola kit on your home. In this case right here, somebody would like to put a pergola right here on their home and there's a fireplace in the way. There's a couple of ways that we can do that. Let's take a look at option one. We could go ahead and just do a standard pergola kit with a regular overhang on it, but just set it off away from the house so that it has room to miss the fireplace. That's one option, one way that we could do it. Sometimes when you do that though, let's take a look at this. Maybe they want to put a barbecuer right here between the two windows and that post is just in a horrible position. It's just not acceptable for them to do that. So sometimes moving the post right up against the house is going to be a better way to accomplish that. Let's show you how we do that by going to our next one. Okay, in this situation, all we did was take the post and move it back against the house, but then we hung the support beam between these two support beams to carry the rafters. Now, that considerably opens this up, getting this post out of the way. And then you can see on top, we just cut the shade planks coming in close to the fireplace. That's one way to take care of that. Also, I'd like to talk about bay windows. This is pretty much the same application, but with a bay window, you've got the 45-degree angles to work with. On this one, we did the same thing, pulled the beam in, and when we cut the shade planks in, we just cut them on a 45-degree angle around the bay window. Let's take a look at what that looks like from underneath. You can see the same thing. We pulled the posts in. In this case, they weren't right next to the house, so it still does have the overhang on each side. But the beam is just clearing that little bay window so that we could support the rafters. And that beam hangs into this support beam a little bit off of the post location. That's a great way to get around a bay window or a fireplace.